Hey YouTube,
We're Pam and Ricki.
welcome to our channel. Some of you may know us, but for those of you who don't, we want you to get to know us and what we'll be doing on our channel. So,
Let's do it.
alright guys, so like we mentioned before, we wanted you guys to get to know us, and while we do that today, we're going to be making a key lime pie.
We'll actually link the recipe in the description below in case you want to try your hand at this recipe. It's actually not one of ours, but we thought it would be pretty cool. We found it online and we thought you could check it out while we chit chat with you guys. You can find out a little bit about us and what we'll be doing on our channel.
Yep, so like we said earlier, my name is Ricki.
And I'm Pam.
She's my mom. Growing up, I would help her a whole lot in the kitchen.
So much fun.
Yes, we actually had a little cooking show.
Could tell my baby she wasn't cooking.
Right. But in addition to cooking, we are both in school right now. I'm in my undergrad and she's in school for her master's. She's in graduate school.
So that takes up some of our time as well.
Yes. We also run a business. P&R Handcrafted is the name of our business. And we do craft nights with our family, which is kind of where the inspiration for our business came from. So we get together with them, we listen to music, we eat dinner together,
We craft.
we paint and different stuff like that. Like, we love Bob Ross. That's like a thing in our family. We love Bob Ross.
Yes. So we do some Bob Ross inspired paintings.
Yes.
And other things. So
Well, yes, of course.
it's always a good time.
Back to our business though. We do glass etching, we've done pillows, we've done wood signs. We've recently added doormats to our shop, which are they're doing pretty well.
They're doing really well.
And we're also going to do some candles soon. We're in the works with those. We got to test everything and before we can put those in the shop, but we're pretty excited for the candles. But we'll have all of our links,
Our link tree.
in our description. So we'll have our website, our Etsy shop, our Instagram, our Facebook, anywhere you want to reach us, really, in our description, and you'll be able to contact us there.
We'll do all kinds of recipes on our channel as well. We'll have keto recipes, savory dishes, desserts, smoothies, things of that nature. Anything that you could think of, we'll try and make. So recipes that my mom has shared with me, and recipes that we really like that I've shared with my family over the years that we would like to share with you all.
Yes, and we'll also do some like grocery hauls, and we'll do some like vlog type videos when we go to the store.
Yeah, those are fun.
Yes.
Yeah, we like to see other people do those, so thought it'd be cool to do some of our own.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm nosy. And I love seeing what people buy.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
So as far as our uploading schedule goes, Tuesdays and Thursdays is what we are working with currently.
Because we have other things that we do on those off days when we're not shooting our videos. We're actually working on orders for our business, and so we try to make sure we have everything covered. So we just have time slots for everything.
And that, of course, can change because
Yeah, you never know what happens.
right, because of the business, that definitely could change because we actually have some orders right now that we need to work on. But of course, we'll let you guys know before we change anything. If you guys have any requests for videos that you want us to make, like some recipes, leave them down in the comments below.
Yeah, that would be cool to see what you guys come up with that we can make for you. And hey, some of the recipes we haven't done, we'll learn them together. We'll just go through them and see what we come up with.
Especially during the holidays, it's a great time for recipe videos.
Because there's so many different ways to make one recipe. You know, like macaroni, there's so many recipes that you can make, so it'd be cool to get different ideas from you guys too.
There's some people that are very serious about macaroni and cheese.
No games.
Right. But if you guys have any other questions for us, like about us specifically, you can leave those in the comment section as well.
Yes. So we're looking forward to cooking for you guys. It's exciting. We're looking forward to hearing what you have to say about different recipes, things of that nature. So if you have any more questions, just let us know. And don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we're uploading videos.
All right. Bye, guys.
All right. See you next time. Peace.